So I've put my frame together, done a dry fit, got all my biscuits in the joints, made sure everything fits good, and I'm happy with it. Now I'm up to gluing. So to glue, we need damp cloth, and going to use some exterior wood glue. The exterior is waterproof, so if you're doing your mirror frame and it's going to be in the bathroom, you'll need to use the exterior wood glue. The other normal interior wood glue, if it gets damp, it'll return back to goo and fall apart. Also going to be using a band clamp or a strap clamp to hold it all together. Okay, we need to get glue on all surfaces, so we need to pull our biscuits out. Make sure we get it in the biscuit groove. The purpose of the damp cloth is to remove excess glue once we've clamped it all together. On your second bit of wood, just put it in the biscuit groove and push it together. And continue the process. Put in your biscuit. Once you start gluing, you need to make sure you do it quickly. Get glue on every corner. Don't muck around. Get it done as fast as possible. Make sure everything's set roughly in the position you want it. And then we'll set up the clamp. And lay your clamp out around the frame. So we loosen off this clamp here. That allows us to pull the strap tight, and we clamp it up. And we can tighten up our strap. Just keep an eye on everything as you're tightening up, make sure it's all coming together properly. Just check things are square. All looks good. Wipe off the excess glue. And then allow it to dry before you pull the clamp off.